Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. We have another video today, guys, another special one, dry brushing. How to get rid of cellulite naturally with dry brushing. Before we get into this video though, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly and truly appreciate you. To my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Now, come on, let's get into this video. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're fine. Okay, dry brushing. I got my brushes. I went to my bathtub and got my brushes. Come on, let's talk about it. Let me get some glasses on. We are talking about dry brushing today, guys. Dry brushing for treating cellulite. How to remove cellulite naturally at home. So we talked about what is cellulite. We talked about the foods that can help you with cellulite, the foods to avoid when you have cellulite. Now we'll get to what you can do. We talked about exercising, burst movement, toning with a bar. Now we're going to talk about things you can do as far as getting it moving. All right, moving it around, getting that blood flow circulating. We have a guest star today, guest helper. This little girl here, this baby here, a teacher that I worked with years ago made her. Elaine Thomas, a wonderful educator in Head Start. Love you. I still have your baby you made me. Yeah, she actually made her. Isn't she adorable? That's one of my babies. She's going to help us with dry brushing today, okay, guys? Well, let's talk about dry brushing. How to dry brush. What is dry brushing, right? So dry brushing is waking up your lymphic system. Okay, it helps brings blood to your heart and helps it go throughout your body. So your lymph system, whatever. I have to figure that word out. Okay. Dry brushing helps to detoxify the body, which helps get rid of your toxin. Dry brushing helps smooth your skin, rid toxins out of your body. Always brush towards your heart. Always brush towards your heart. And I want y'all to go online and look into different ways of brushing, because there's a lot of ways of brushing, so you have to determine which way you want to do it. I say this is how I do it. Excuse me, guys. Let me say this to you. The things on this channel, Glennceria Loving Hands, these are things that I do, and the method and the ways of how I do things, okay? This might not be the way you do it or the world does things. This is called Glennceria Loving Hands. And what do I say? How I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. So this is how I do things. I just wanted to get that clear. So I'm not the end all to be all. Never said I was. I'm just giving you my knowledge to what I know. You could take it or you don't. And always, always do your own research. That's why you have your own mind, okay? So, like I said, you start from your feet on up. So, make sure that I was going to throw this away, and that's so funny, Shanice, because the day that you sent me that comment, you see how this brush is? This is a dry brush, bristle brush, right? Natural bristle brush. I was going to throw this away because you see how it's caved in. Because what I store this in is pushed up against other things. And I was like, oh my God, I hope I didn't throw it away, because I wanted y'all to see what it looks like before I threw it away. Okay? So you get yourself a natural bristle brush, nothing very hard. You don't want something that's going to tear your skin up. And be very soft when starting dry brushing. You're going to do your dry brush either right next to your shower, and then you're going to step right in. Okay? Or either do it in the shower without the shower on, no water hitting you. And then you could take your shower right after. Because what are you doing besides getting that blood flow circulating? You're also removing dead skin. Okay? You're removing dead skin. So, if I say you start at your feet, the top of your feet. Look at her, babe. Look at her. How cute, right? The top of the feet. So, it's going to look like this. And you're going to count. Brush up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just at the top, right? Okay? Now you're going to come to this part of your leg. Right? Long part of your leg, and you brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you're coming up to your thigh. You're coming up to your thigh. 1, 2. See, I'm brushing up towards the heart. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here, a lot of people circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? You come up. So, they said that you have on your left, 3/4 of the drainage is on your left side. This is my right, this is your left. So a lot of the dry brushing, they say start to your left, because that's where the most is. And this, well, yeah, I can show you that myself, where, let's get this hair out the way. But go on, because, let's take this off. Take this off, Glenn, so they can see a little better. There you go. And I'm just showing you, make sure you get the correct, because I might not be doing it right, so make sure. So this is your left. So you're going to come in like this, somewhere like that. So you, because this is what's holding all that waste is in here, so. Okay. You do, well, let me show you on how you bring it down and come up this way towards your collarbone. Okay. Everything is in 7s. All right. Yeah. This, wrist, like that. Up towards the heart, brushing up. Right. Under. Right? And it doesn't go towards your heart is when you do your stomach. With your stomach, you start circular motions and you start small. Circular motions like that. Okay? And then after, remember, I still want you to go online and get the correct steps. Or which steps that you want to do. Okay, so I'm just showing you. So that when you see them, you say, oh yeah, that's what Glennceria Loving Hands was doing. Okay, but I need you to get the proper steps and how you want to do it. After you do all of this, do the bottom of your feet, ankles, brush up, circular motion front, circular motion back. Same with your buttocks. Everything up, everything up. Let's thank our girl. Thank you. All right, so these are the brushes. You might want to get something with a handle, especially when you're trying to bring that one this way. See that? I'm just showing you what I know. And these are some of the brushes. So let me show you. This is one here. I can't begin to tell you where I got them from, but Amazon most likely. Google them, dry bristle, natural bristle brush. That's what they call, natural bristle brush. Make sure you get one that's not so hard. Okay, now I'll tell you one thing. If you do this in the morning, you can be a little quick about it because you're trying to wake up and get it stimulating. But if you do it at night, be a little bit more gentle because you're putting yourself to sleep. Remember that. Remember, after you do your dry brushing, you should be right next to the shower. You're going to go right into the shower and then try to use a little cold water because that also will help with your cellulite, okay? All right, so what else did we talk about? Circular motion. You have for your butt, thighs, stomach, and your back. So you know these are going to be great for your back. Let me say this. Do not dry brush on open wounds, sunburns, rashes, or varicose veins. Let me say that again. If you have varicose veins, rash, sunburn, open wounds, do not dry brush, okay? Coffee helps reduce swelling, naturally removes dead skin, leaving it silky smooth. An antitoxin, it helps fight free radicals. Coffee helps reduce cellulite. The caffeine in coffee will stimulate blood flow, which will help in tightening your skin. And that's what we're looking for, tightening our skin, right? Okay, and that's coffee. Down below, I will leave my Etsy shop. I have a soap, a coffee soap in there. I believe I do. I must check and see. So did we say everything we need to say for dry brushing? Let me repeat this, what it says about dry brushing that we repeated in the first video. Dry brushing increases blood circulation, increases blood flow, stimulates the production of collagen, which is very important because collagen helps increase skin elasticity, toning your skin and reducing the appearance of fat cells. Is it called lymphatic nodes system? Something, something. Y'all tell me what I'm trying to say. That's one. Very soft. Very soft. That's two. Very soft. These are in my bathtub and the jar. And as you can see, I wore this one out. Have to get another one now. Handle's good. And one of them, the handle do come off. They come off. You slide them up, slide them down. All right. Thank you, guys. Let me take my glasses off so I can look at you. Thank you for joining me. I hope this information was informative for you today. I love you much, and I'll see you in the next video. Dry brushing. how to get rid of cellulite naturally. Mwah. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.